beautiful soul. Let's channel some beautiful, powerful messages for you. And the number one message that I was receiving was that in regards to money, so regardless of how much money you make, if you do not clear the ancestral lack-based trauma from your body, you're gonna be feeling the same. Regardless of how much money you make, even paying the small bill will trigger the deep fear and panic inside of you. Even like getting the basic food items or necessary items, you're gonna like paying for them, it will trigger that deep panic. A lot of the times we are worried, like why is there certain again my bank account is coming down to the lowest of the low. Why again these lack based scenarios occurring in my life? Why am I running out of food, out of the money to pay the bill and all? It's because situation like these keeps occurring so that you can fully sit with the fear, the panic, the sensation of lack inside of your body, the mistreatment that all of your lineage went through, all the people, and it exists in your body. Okay, so as you sit into it, fully present and breathe into it, you will be like literally you will the support that will come, like lack will start to lose power over you, over your life, over your lineage, over your environment, through you sitting with that hurt that you went through around money. Lot of, in my situation recently, I really like, if I had the money, I feel like I could have saved my mom. I could have gotten her better treatment, and I could just given her a better life, and she would be here. So we have to sit with all these, and lot of our ancestors went through the same lack. Okay, and lack is what it is. It's the like, what do we say? It's the broken connection. It's the broken connection with Mother Earth. Because when you have deep connection with Earth, lack cannot run the show. Fear cannot run the show of your life. Okay, so you gotta ground back into the connection with Mother Earth. And like affirm to yourself that only the deep wisdom from Mother Earth will influence my choices. Only the deep wisdom from Mother Earth has power over me. Only the deep wisdom from Mother Earth is inspiring my choices. And anytime these patterns, yesterday I paid for very small things, and then I was like, oh my God, the money is going out of my bank account, it's draining, and just a little bit of it triggered like, oh my God, this deep fear, and I sat with it. I didn't embarrass myself, I didn't shame myself for being in certain situation. We all paths are divine, all paths are, if certain person is on certain path, you don't have to, we can't shame them, we can't, and especially around money, we have been trained to see other people and judge them, how much money they have, how much money they don't have. We as people need to break all these ways of existing in the society that are embarrassed, like that are making other people feel embarrassed, or shame. Money is a very beautiful energy, and as you cultivate beautiful, loving, safe relationship with it, you're gonna bring about like that safety into this world. And the deep intention that we should be holding in our heart is of emotional safety. It's all emotional safety, is of like doing good in this world, is of like, yes, I want to see other people growing as well, I want them to grow as well. And so when you are holding this intention in your heart, when the money comes for you, you know where to put it, you know how to use it to better your life and the life around you. You know how to support people with that. Bring magic in your life with my magic paintings. This painting says, dearest God, dearest Mother, thank you for guiding me. Thank you for leading my way. when you live around this painting, the way you start to move in this world very bravely, confidently, courageously, you would find yourself becoming most braver, bolder, confident version of yourself, and it's just so much divine guidance and peaceful energies into your life. Super powerful. Super. You can't miss the magic. You can't. I'm telling you, you cannot. Okay. Also, you can hire me and I will channel a customized magic painting uniquely for you. A painting that will bring lot of success, high vibrations, good energies, power, love, and like sacred, peaceful, pure energies into your life. It's so powerful, and money. Otherwise, you will use that money to just show off. Is to just like randomly you will give your money to the organizations that are creating more harm in this world. You know, when you are connected to earth, you know you gotta support the farmers who are genuinely committed to growing organic food. You know, your mind exists. It does not exist in unhealthy comparison, unhealthy competition. It doesn't exist, oh, I need to like get things to just show, to become something good in front of other people. No, you don't have to. You're like the if the energy that you are existing in is like, oh, if I do this, then these people will like me, these people will love me, these people will want to become friends with me. If I get better, if I dress well, if I make more money, if I get successful, then I can get the validation of these people. No. So even if you are doing the right thing, but the deeper energy behind those actions is like the validation, it does not work. But when the deeper intention is like, oh my god, I get to exist in this world and I have the power to do something good in this world, so I am gonna do it. That means I need to be healthy, so I need to take care of my health, I need to eat better, I need to sleep better, I need to do it for myself, you know. And so like I have had experiences wherein the person in front of me acted in such a manner, and it triggered the deep anger and hatred inside of me, and I wanted to act in a manner, but thank god for the, you know, the inner strength that I have, inner spiritual strength. I just breathed into it and I was like, no, I'm not gonna let that happen. Like, oh, I will show you. No, that's energies I will show you. You are giving them that energy. But it's like, no, I need to stay calm. I need to stay calm for me. I can't let this run or rule my life, you know. And there are always softer, kinder ways that you can handle these kind of situation. And most of the time, you know, when we see something outside, it is reflecting something inside of us, and it's better to like most of the situation does not require your reaction. It doesn't even ask you to argue or say something. It's just separate yourself, you know, ground yourself back to the grass, into the river bodies, to trees and all. Yeah. And okay, coming back to the money thing, what was that? Whenever this lack and this fear around money or around food, like I will not have, these are fears. They are not real. They are never real. You will always have it. Mother Earth will always provide for you. Like you will always have it. Do not let these kind of thoughts and these kind of worries control you. Yeah, because I can tell you, because I have practiced this. I have practiced this in the last 5 years. I took a leap of faith when I received the inspiration from Mother to move to this place, Rishikesh. I didn't know where I will live and how will I eat, and after that, especially in the last every month, I was like, oh my god, will it work out or not work out? And then in the last 6 months, not being able to, like, with my I couldn't pay my rent. My grandfather, my mother died in just like within a year, and within a year, two deaths in the family, and then I didn't know. I was at the lowest of the low. I literally had to ask my friend, and they were, Mother Earth put such generous people in my life who were willing to like support me whenever I needed groceries. Yes, I did had to fight the fear, like, oh my god, I feel so embarrassed to ask for help. I feel so embarrassed to, nobody will want to be friends with me. These were my fears. Like, if I am constantly needing food and like money for food, then people will be like, get scared, like, oh, we don't have the enough money to give to you, and then I will not be able to make friends and things like that. People will judge me, oh, she always needs something and things like that. And I was navigating that, but through it all, the Mother Earth kept supporting me. She kept guiding me. She kept guiding me, and so I'm coming from an experience, and my landlady, she let me, blessed me, like supported me in a way to stay for 6 months without paying rent. Okay, I will, of course, she will, I know she will, like, I will pay it back. God will. This also fear kept ruling me, but I know, like, Mother Earth has created this situation in a manner, and she will create something magical out of it. This fear, like, what if one day my landlady wakes up and throws me out? These are all fears. They are not real. We are so, you guys, don't stay inside. Do not go on a walk. Go on a long walk. Be around trees and let it inspire, orchestrate, and give you so many. There is always a way. There is always a way. This, like, okay, there is no way. There is no way I can get healthier. There is no way I can get food. There is no way that I can get home. There is no way, that I will be supported. There is always a way. There is always a way. There is always a possibility. You will just have to, pray. You just have to pray once, like, God, show me the way. Mother Earth, guide me, lead me. I cannot think of anything. And then you just do something nice for you, and then you are guided. I'm feeling good. Yeah, I'm feeling really hot. So you just do something, go on a walk. Do not, like, take your fears, take your worries on a long walk. We all have financial fears. We all have financial, concern. I need to get my dog, like, so many things, so many financial things. And I know Mother Earth will, like, God will, Mother Earth will, Spirit will. And I have, through all of these situations, these were my spiritual assignments. To these situations were not coming to harm me. They were coming to guide me even deeper. They were coming because earlier I would avoid money. I would avoid talking about it. I would avoid, like, if somebody had a health concern, they will sit with it, right? They will sit with it. They would look into it. But if we have deep shame around money, we will never sit with it. We will do anything to avoid it, numb it, and everything. But I was like, these kind of situation, God, like, through putting me all of this, I had to see it and become sincere around money. So all of these situations that you are navigating right now, they are here to only, like, clear away this ancestral lack-based ways of thinking, lack-based ways of living, lack-based ways of relating to the world. And when you do this work, this is good. Like, okay, yeah, I now remember. I was thinking, like, okay, why am I sitting? I'm just blabbering. I'm feeling like, but as I come in front of the camera, I just let Spirit take over. I let Spirit do what it does. Whether I feel like I am coming across as professional or good enough or not, because I know Spirit always does the magic. What Spirit wants to do, and it says what the wisdom that the people who are watching me right now, they will receive whatever they need to receive from me. So whenever the fear comes, no, when you make a payment, in that moment, breathe and just like, okay, I am facing this fear. I feel like money is going out of my bank account, and I am feeling like, okay, the entire money will be drained out, and I don't have any other way to make the money, and I'm existing, and I can observe like I am existing in the belief that there is no other way, because it has never happened. Month after month there is just the same pattern of lack existing, and me getting worried. So this time I am choosing better. I am choosing to remain calm, because month after month I find myself existing in worry, fear, and I use my imagination to just imagining the worry. So this time I'm going to exist in gratitude, I'm going to exist in calmness, I'm going to exist in deep calm. I'm going to do things that are bringing me calm, and I'm going to use my imagination to bring more calm. I'm going to imagine my body being in the deeply calming state. I am going to exist in the knowing that God's always taking care of me, always providing for me. I am not going to let fear run the show, anxiety, worry run the show. Yeah. So link of everything is in my bio. My one-on-one session, my 1 week of mentorship, my 1 month of mentorship, my 3 months of mentorship. Such a powerful support. You know, if you need one-on-one psychic guidance session and channeled messages for you, they're there. Okay, take my support, and like with my mentorship, you will be able to navigate your worry habits of worry, fears, your anxieties, your limiting beliefs, and step into your power, become unshakable in your confidence, and so much more. Like, my support will do wonders for your life, for your heart, for your confidence, for your creativity, for your overall well-being. Okay, the energy that I bring into your life is so beautiful. It's deeply safe and calming, and incredibly like the wisdom that I share, wow, it will transform your life. And what else do I have? I have a journaling course, I have my ebook. Both of these, my journaling and ebook. If you are getting my ebook, get my journaling course with it. So powerful, like really powerful, will transform, like upgrade your life to the max and upgrade you into your next magic era. So powerful. Okay, link of everything is in my bio, and you can also donate for my, you know, rent, food and bills. And yeah, be generous with me, be generous with your girl. Yay.